Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss a topic triangles and sums based on B.P.T of class 10th CBSE as well as SSC. This will be applicable for CBSE and also for state syllabus guys. So let's start. So here the second question, what is given? In the figure given, if DE is parallel to BC and AE is equal to 5x minus 4, BD equal to 7x minus 5, CE equal to 5x minus 3, AD equal to 3x minus 2, then find the value of x. Okay, as by using BPT we need to solve this sum and find the value of unknown value, that is x value. And options given as 8, 1, 7 by 10 and 9 by 10. So they gave a triangle with given dimensions. We need to find the value of unknown value, that is x value guys. So in this, so first write down what is given in the question. Given the triangle ABC, triangle ABC, where DE, the line DE is parallel to BC. Okay, the line DE is parallel to BC. Okay, and write down the given dimensions: AE dimension, CE dimension, BD dimension, AD dimension. We need to find the value of x here, right? So these are the normal steps for every sum. Okay, then what to find here? We need to find the value of x here. So as per B.P.T, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, we call both the same. So what this theorem states: if a line is drawn parallel to one side, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to one side, okay, this is parallel to other side, and therefore whenever we draw a line whenever we draw a line in a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is a concept. Now as per BPT, in the triangle what we have AD by C here. From the triangle, AD by DB equal to AE by EC guys. As per BPT, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, now so substitute the values. What is AD given, what is DB, what is AE and what is EC. Substitute all the values and simplify. Okay, now so simplify guys. 3x minus 2 into 5x minus 3 equal to 7x minus 5 into 5x minus 4. So product, this is a product, right? So simplify. 3x into 5x is 15x square, so like that. 7x into 5x is 35x square. You simplify this product. Then after simplifying, you get a result as 20x square minus 34x plus 14 equal to 0. We can make 2x common. We can make 2x common in this equation, right? So we get 10x square minus 17x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, the left out equation is 10x square minus 17x plus 7 equal to 0. So we need to find the factors of 10 into 7, that equal to 70. So middle term is 17 guys. So how to get the factors of 70 and the middle term is 17? So 10 into 7. 10 into 7 is 70. 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay. So this can be 17 can be split as 10 and 7. Because 10 plus 7 is 17. 10 into 7 is 70. Okay. Now 10x square minus 10x minus 7x plus 7. So from first two terms take 10x common. So we get x minus 1. From second two terms we get takes minus 7 common. Take x minus, we get x minus 1. Therefore what are the common terms in this? 10x minus 7 and x minus 1. These are the terms. Okay. Now equal to 0. We get 10x minus 7. X minus 7 equal to 0. If you make x as subject, we get x equal to 1 guys. Okay. 10x minus 7 equal to 0. If we equate to 0, we get x equal to 7 by 10. Okay. Therefore, x value we got 1 and 7 by 10. So, as per the question, the options are B and C guys. Either B or C. Okay. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.